Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Picked up a couple more pieces for the Infraction that I'm redoing with all the parts. Got a ton of SpeedTek RC parts, RC hop-ups, and Basher Queen stuff. So this is from RC hop-ups. I took the tag out so you guys couldn't see my address. They just came out with these new Diff cups. So for the 6S lineup, nice aluminum Diff cups. Keep everything nice and tight so nothing blows up. I got two, one for the front, one for the back. Here's the part number. You guys, RC hop-ups, rchopups.net. I believe that's what this one is. I'll put the link down below the website. Use Kurtz RCs to get 10% off, guys. And I'll leave that down below too. So it's got all sorts of stuff. Got a cool little website. Scale stuff. They also sell this stuff at JJ Customs, so go there and check them out, guys. It's just a quick little video on RC hop-ups. Nice dip cups.